Hello traders everywhere, Jeremy Lutz coming to you from the digital studios of Market Club. And that's right, the stock market is off to a roaring start to the year, and it is in fact the best start for the S&P 500 since 1991. And we're taking a look at a monthly chart here, as you can see denoted up here in the left corner of our chart. Kind of like to do this at the end of the month just to give you kind of a broader picture of what's going on overall long term. Sometimes you can kind of get caught up in the daily moves and not really see the big picture. As you can see here, for the month of February, the S&P 500 posted a gain of 2.97%, following a gain of 7.8% in January, and pretty much putting December in the rear view for most traders. But you can see there's a key level here. The high in December was 2,800. We've got just above that high this month to 2813.49. And we've backed off of that level. So we haven't quite gotten high enough to get our green monthly trade triangle level yet, which is actually going to be at that level at 2,813.49. But presently, we have a chart analysis score, a negative 55 for the S&P 500 with a green weekly and a red monthly trade triangle, indicating that we are in a sidelines position. I'm going to give you your two key levels to watch. First one will be 2,775.66. A move below that level would issue a red weekly trade triangle, indicating a move back to a possible short position for the S&P 500. And then we have 2,813.49. A move above that level would issue a green monthly trade triangle, indicating that a long-term position would be in order for the S&P 500. So keep an eye on those. Moving along, we'll take a look at the U.S. dollar. After 2 months of losses, eked out a gain of almost 0.7% for the month of February with a chart analysis score plus 80, indicating that we are in a long-term uptrend for the U.S. dollar. Your key level to watch would be 96.03. A move below that level would issue a red weekly trade triangle, indicating a move back to a sidelines position for the U.S. dollar. Take a look at Dow Jones, currently posting a gain of 3.6% for the month of February with a chart analysis score negative 55, indicating that overall we are still in a sidelines position for the Dow, waiting on that green monthly trade triangle. Your key levels to watch will be 25,883.72. A move below that level would issue a red weekly trade triangle, indicating a move back to a short position for the Dow. And look, key level to watch, 26,241.42. A move above that level would issue a green monthly trade triangle, indicating that a long-term up position would be in order for the Dow. Nasdaq gave us that green monthly trade triangle this month, currently trading at 7,532.53, posting a 3.4% gain for the month of February with a chart analysis score of plus 90. And your key level to watch in March will be 7,477.28. A move below that level would issue a red weekly trade triangle, indicating a move to a sidelines position for the Nasdaq. Crude oil having back-to-back gains after in January it posted a gain of 16%, posted a gain of 6.3% for the month of February with a chart analysis score plus 60, indicating that overall the long-term trend is up for crude oil. And in fact, this morning it triggered a new green monthly trade triangle at 62.66, indicating that we are in a long-term uptrend for crude oil now. Key level to watch will be 56.88. A move below that level would issue a red daily trade triangle, indicating a move to a short-term sidelines position for crude oil. Gold, after having 4 straight months of gains, lost 0.6% in February, pushing the chart analysis score down to plus 55, indicating that we were currently in a short-term short position with a new red weekly trade triangle triggering this week. Key level to watch would be 1,322.90. A move above that level would issue a green daily trade triangle, indicating a move to a sidelines position for gold. And we'll back out of here and we'll take a look at Bitcoin, who had a tremendous month of February. Pull this in a little bit here. You can see right there we got a gain of 12% for the month of February. However, chart analysis score still remains plus 70 with a green weekly trade triangle and a red monthly trade triangle, indicating that we are truly in a sidelines position for Bitcoin. This actually ended a 6-month-long losing streak for Bitcoin where this is the first gain it's had since July of 2018, but it still has a lot of work to do to get above those levels to give us a green monthly trade triangle. Key level to watch should be 3,531.01. A move below that level would issue a red weekly trade triangle, indicating a move back to a short position for Bitcoin. With that, every success. Have a great weekend, and I'll be back midweek next week to give you some market updates.